T3i TV, your positive car culture channel. Today is an awesome day. Today is the day where I reveal to you guys my newly acquired Canon T3i DSLR camera. Let's go and jump into it. I'm gonna show you the camera and everything like that and give you a small tour of it. And so let's go and jump into it. So here it is. This is the bag that I got with it, which was another awesome deal and everything like that. Before we open up the bag and show the camera, for you guys that follow me on Instagram and social media, including Facebook and everything like that, you saw that I had two packages that I was teasing for this video. I will unbox those. I already opened them up to check and see, make sure everything's good on them. But I will unbox those for you guys at the end of the video, so stay tuned. We're going to just give you a tour of the camera and the bag and everything like that. So let's go ahead and open it up. It's pretty cool. It has this nice little emblem on the front. It says Canon Rebel. I love that. Got the zippers. Go ahead and zip it open for you guys and show you my compartments. It's pretty cool. All right, so here we go. Here's the package right here. Awesome bag. I love this thing. I don't know what I would do without this thing. First of all, pull the camera out. There's the body. I have something attached to the bottom of it, but you'll find out what that has to do with at the end of the video. So there's the body without any of the lens on there. Go ahead, put that aside. And then it also came with two lenses. This is the regular kit lens that comes with the camera if you buy it new or even used. This is the regular lens or whatever for close range shot. This is gonna be my vlogging lens. I'm gonna be using for those close-up shots and everything, 18 to 55, as you can see. Put that aside. And then this is the long range shot, the 55 to 250 millimeter. Now this is, I love this thing. I was falling in love with this thing, just messing around with it and everything like that. I went to the Chino Air Show. For you guys to follow me on social media, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna put the Instagram right below Kevlar82. Make sure you guys follow me, dude, because I'm really doing a lot of stuff as far as my stories. I do daily upload to my stories. Awesome content. If you guys are bored at work, you want to see what I'm up to, follow me on Instagram. All right, so the next thing is the shoulder strap. It came with a shoulder strap. I took it off. It's easier to vlog with without the shoulder strap, but if you want to take photos, you just strap this on. And then this is, I purchased this myself or whatever. It's a battery pack, and the cool thing is this battery pack, the charger or whatever. Not battery pack. This is the charger. This actually has a DC jack for your car, so I can charge my battery on the go. And then this thing has plenty of compartments, zippers, and everything like that. Keep my little, flash drives in there. Pretty cool. All right, so that's it for the bag. Let's put that aside and let's get into the camera. So let's go ahead and get started with the camera. So right here, it opens up. Sorry, I'm trying to do this with one hand. So it opens up. I'm gonna show you guys right here. Opens up right there. There's the screen. The screen actually turns in the opposite direction, so it's perfect for vlogging and everything like that. So you see everybody like that. You can see the shot and with everything like that. So let's go ahead and turn it back around. I'm gonna go ahead and put one of the lenses on. I'm gonna put on the vlogging lens or whatever and show you real quick. So it's pretty easy to do. Just give me a second. I have to pause the video and get my hands situated. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and put the lens on. So the first thing you're gonna do is remove, obviously, this right here, the dust cover for the body. Keep that thing dust free. It's pretty easy. The bottom half is the fat half or whatever. That's the part that attaches to the camera. So we're gonna go ahead and remove this. All right, and go ahead and line up the little, see the yellow, yellow square. You're gonna find that on the actual lens and then put that on there. Line those up just like that and then twist clockwise, and then there you go. Go ahead and take the lens cap off, flip the screen out and turn the camera on, and I'll take you a quick tour of the shots and different. All right, so the first thing you do, obviously flip it on, and then I already have it in camera mode or whatever. Because if you see right here, all these buttons represent the different type of shots you can take or whatever. So in camera mode, this automatically turns on. You can change it by hitting the display, and then you can actually change it from actually seeing it on the screen and seeing it inside the actual viewfinder. All right, so let's go ahead and show you some of the other shots. The cool thing is it gives you a brief description. So I'm gonna switch the first one to this one. and it's going to show me night portrait, and it gives me a short description. So I'm going to go ahead and flip through them. This one is sports, for shooting subjects in motion. Just read it. You know, I'm not going to sit there and read every single one. Let's go ahead and flip through. Close-up shots. Then you got your landscape shots. Portrait shots. Sorry, things, there we go. Autofocus is messing up. There we go. All right, creative auto. Next one. Flash off. You can actually manually turn the flash off too, whatever. But you can just do that one if you want to. If you're in like a low light situation and you just don't want the flash on, whatever. So, scene, intelligent auto, pretty cool. And then it just keeps going. Program AE, shutter priority, aperture priority, and manual exposure, and auto depth and field. All right, so there's all the little settings, whatever. I'm gonna tell you the truth right now, I don't know any of this. The funny thing is I am a rookie to cameras, dude. So this is gonna be a learning experience. And Trish Davis, I know you're watching. Trish, I know you got my back, girl. Yeah, we're gonna be kicking it with Trish Davis. I'm gonna link her social media, her Instagram down below, with her photography and everything that she does. So check her out. She does some awesome shots. We'll probably be shooting a short video if it's cool with her, of us hanging out and learning some of the shots, whatever, and learning everything that she's gonna teach me. I mean, I'm gonna be learning everything she's gonna teach me, and you guys learn some stuff too. So it's gonna be pretty awesome. Stay tuned for that. So yeah, man. It's a short tour of the camera because, like I said, I'm a rookie when it comes to cameras. Like, I literally, you know what I mean? I got to learn everything about this, dude. So, but it's going to be fun. We're going to have fun with it. And one thing also, a rookie mistake that I made, I shot some footage, which be some footage that you guys will see in one of the next videos, where I actually do a comparison of some tools that I bought. We're going to go ahead and unbox these in just a minute. But I basically shot some footage, and you see this right here, it says stabilizer on and off. Oops, yeah, I shot some footage with the stabilizer off, and I was wondering why the shots came out so shaky, and I was scared. I thought the camera was like crappy, you know. I was like, oh, I bought a crappy camera. Then I got home and I was taking it apart, and I'm looking at it. I took the lens off and I said, oh crap, man, I shot that whole video with the stabilizer off or whatever, and I actually cut into the surprise of what's in those two cases, which is gonna wrap up the whole package deal of, you know, the new Kevlar 82 TV 2.0 deal. All right, so let's go ahead and jump into that. All right, so we're starting off with the first package or whatever. You see Amazon Prime. I love Amazon packages. And there it is, the Joby Gorilla Pod. For you guys that know any YouTuber, this is a very popular item with YouTubers and everything like that, which is one of the things that gave me an idea, and I realized how good of a tool it is. It's a multi-purpose tool. It's a stand. I will be using this also. This Batmobile is due for oil change real soon, so this is gonna come in handy at getting those really low shots and showing you guys some stuff underneath the car, and everything like that, so I don't have to have the camera on the ground and stuff. So here it is. Here's the Gorilla Pod. Pretty easy to deal with and everything like that. It's bendable. It takes almost any form you want it to. I'm doing this with one hand, so it's looking all janky right now. Trying to do this with one hand, it's not very easy. All right, there we go. Got it standing up in upright position. The cool thing is this little thing that was at the bottom of the camera that connects to that little piece right there. I'm gonna go click this into place. Let me show you the camera standing up. Let me straighten it so it does not fall. And it's a janky angle, but whatever, you get the idea. There we go. So back up, see, bam, awesome. So pretty cool using that right there. Gonna be getting a lot of use out of that. Let's go ahead and cut into the next package. All right, the next package is a necessity when you buy a camera. This is something I probably should have had with the cell phone, and that's a recording mic. A mic that's gonna mount to the top. This one's pretty cool. I'm actually going to link a video. The reason why I got this mic, you guys are like, Trackstar? Who the heck is Trackstar? How come you didn't get, you know, the more expensive ones? I could have, but, you know, I chose this one just as a starter mic and everything like that and try it out because I watched a video of them comparing this mic right here, which is, I kid you not, this mic is like 20 to 30, it's like 24, I believe. I paid 24 and some change or whatever. You might be able to get it for cheaper, but whatever. 24 bucks ain't a whole lot. So the cool thing with this mic right here that I'm about to show you is, dude, it gets the audio quality of more expensive mics or whatever. So we'll go ahead and get into it. But first, look at this freaking case, dude. It's like this little velvet case, whatever that comes with. It's all fancy, nice. Some paperwork. Yeah, so here it is. And like I said, I will be linking the video down below that helped me decide to buy this one. Obviously it's cheaper, whatever, and everything like that, but it's not like it's cheap quality. It's good quality. The audio quality is pretty good. I watched a video comparing this exact mic to a $150 Rode mic, and I was shocked that, you know, this one held up to the Rode mic. I'm gonna go ahead and mount it on the top and show you how easy it is or whatever. I'm using one hand, so I'm gonna pause it and then just go ahead and cut to when it's on the top. All right, so here it is. Here's my little setup, dude. So you guys might see me out there in the streets. I'm gonna have this bad boy with me, the mic and all, pod and everything. Yep, pretty cool, man. It's official, man. The YouTuber starter pack, man. I got it right here. So get yours today. But anyways, man, I'm so happy, dude, to have this in my hands, dude. I'm so happy to have this. Hopefully I don't drop it right now. Ooh, good. Nah, but anyways, dude, oh man, dude, you guys don't realize how ecstatic I am to have this, dude. And I know it's, like I said, I know it's an older camera, but it gets the job done. It's gonna get the job done. We're gonna do some awesome editing with my new editing program. If you guys don't know, also recently getting tongue-tied, recently purchased editing program. I believe the name of it is Vegas Movie Maker 15 Platinum. So I was taking it through some paces and testing out, see what it can do, and it's gonna do some awesome shots, awesome transitions. Gonna have good quality video quality and audio quality. So yeah, so we're gonna wrap up the video, and I'm gonna show you the specs and everything like that at the very end for you guys that are super camera nerds and really want to know the specs and how you can compare these specs to the newer cameras and all that type of stuff. So let's go ahead and cut it to. All right, so that's gonna be it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, man. I'm so happy to have this freaking camera, dude. You guys don't even know, man. I've been so patient and trying to get things together, and I kept coming across roadblock after roadblock trying to get a camera. My price range was higher than what I had spent. I had a bigger price range for the camera, but unfortunately, financially, I had roadblocks, whatever, I had to deal with some issues. Anyways, the car, that whole front bumper situation, I had to pay a deductible, and that came out of my pocket, you know what I mean? So I had to pay the deductible before I got the car back, so that cut into the camera budget. That pretty much chewed up the camera budget as far as getting a new camera. So thank God, like I said, my wife, we worked it out. We got an awesome deal on that, and then on this camera, and you know, it came with the lenses, it came with the bag, and I was like, psh, dude, so that's the reason why I ended up getting it. So that's gonna be it, man. I'm gonna leave you guys with the specs after we cut out of this shot. Sorry, my lighting's messing up right now. But yeah, after we cut out of this shot, whatever, I'm gonna go ahead and put the specs up here for you guys. I took some screenshots, little 3 screenshots or whatever. You wanna pause it, check out the screenshots or whatever of the specs of the camera, because I'm not gonna sit there and talk about the whole specs. You know, half of the stuff I don't understand, but I will learn. Trish Davis, I'm gonna hit you up, girl. Shout out to Greg, No Clue Photography. I will link his Instagram down below and put it right here because you need to check out his shots. Hey Greg, you're gonna teach me about those night shots, man. This guy does some sick night shots, dude. I'm really gonna learn some stuff from him too, and I also have a couple other friends that I'm going to be hanging out with and learning some more camera stuff. So hope you guys enjoyed it, man. If you're new to the channel, remember, I give you a new video every single Monday and Friday at 12 noon. Sorry I haven't been uploading as much, but it will go back to regular schedule starting next week because I will be recording a lot of videos with this new camera. Stay blessed. Remember, always see the glass is half full, not half empty. Stay safe. It's your boy Kevin Smiley signing out. Kevlar82 TV. Peace.
J Squad.